How can you create custom instructions for ChatGPT to make the process of lesson plan creation 10 times faster, like this?
You will simply provide a prompt like the following, and you will receive the exact sequence found in the DPED lesson plan. First, on the left side of ChatGPT, click on these three dots. Select Custom Instructions. Then, in the box, input the details of our lesson plan and its sequence. I will include the instructions for this in the comment section. Next, in the second box, let's create a prompt like this. Act as a grade 6 teacher and generate a lesson plan based on the competency I will provide. Once you're done, click Save. Now let's try to create a lesson plan. Copy a competency from TLE6. Then, in ChatGPT, input the subject and the grade level and paste the competency we just copied. ChatGPT will now provide us with the lesson plan. This lesson plan will precisely follow the sequence we just provided.
That's it. Follow us for more videos.